Good morning, students. My name is Jhansi Rani, working as junior lecturer in APSW Junior College, Challapalli. I welcome you all to this video class. How you are, students? I hope you are all so good. So, today we are going to discuss about very recent concept, the language of advertisement. What's our topic? The language of advertisement. Now, let us see the meaning of advertisement. Advertisement is a non-formal form of communicating information related to promotion of an idea, presentation of goods and services with promotion of an idea, presentation of goods and services with an objective to create demand. So, this is a communicating information for what? Related to promotion of an idea. We have to promote an idea and presentation of goods and services with an objective, with an aim to create demand. So to create demand, we have to communicating information related to promotion of an idea. So this is the meaning of advertisement. Now let us see what are the features of advertisement. Features of advertisement. It means advertisement is a non-personal form of presentation. Non-formal means there is no relationship between the customer and the owner, manufacturer. Okay, non-personal means there is no relationship between the manufacturer and the customer. And come to the second point. It is a paid form of communication. Okay, advertisement is a paid form of communication. Let us come to the third point. It is done by a identified sponsor. It must be sponsored by some person, identified company or identified persons. Come to the fourth point. It can be oral. Advertisement can be oral, written or visual. Okay, we can written on papers. Visual means we can see on TV, and oral means by radio. We can listen through radio. So it can be oral, written or visual. Next, it is done through media such as radio, TV, newspaper, etc. And it is form of mass communication. So advertisement is a form of mass communication. Okay, children. Okay, students, now open your textbooks, page number 208, textbook, English textbook. Chapter 6, the language of advertisements. Language has a powerful influence over people and their behavior. And this is especially true in the fields of marketing. Language has a powerful influence over people and their behavior. This is especially true in the fields of marketing and advertising. The choice of language to convey specific messages with the intention of influencing people is vitally important. Now, very important point is advertising was initially meant to make people aware of the goods available in the market. It was as simple as announcing what you have in your store or the services you offer in your premises. Over the years, advertising has evolved into a major industry that goes beyond informing to persuading and influence. Let us see what is the aim of the advertisement. The sole aim of the language of advertisements is to attract the customers towards a product or convince a customer to buy a product. So, once again, what is the main aim of advertisement? It means it attracts the customers towards a product or convince a customer to buy a product. To achieve effective communication, the language of advertisement should be brief and simple. Next, what are the uses of advertisements? Okay, as a student, you have to learn the reading skills. So, advertisements can improve our reading skills, especially to scan for specific information. So, what is the main aim of advertisement? To scan the specific information. For specific information, we have to scan. We also learn interesting phrases from advertisements. Now, let us check the following advertisements and see how far we can understand them to answer the questions that follow. Students, in your public examinations under section B, Roman number 8, you have to answer this question. Study the advertisement, answer the questions that follow. Now, I am going to explain the number 6. Question number 6. Come to the page number 212. Okay, students, once again, look at the advertisement. Study the advertisement. Okay, first you have to study the advertisement given to you and answer the questions that follow. Now, Swachhata Hi Seva. Swachhata Hi Seva. Students, you have to remember, you have to observe the given advertisement carefully and scan what are the important points in the advertisement. Now, first, read the words one by one. Swachhata Hi Seva. Swachhata Pakwada. Study the advertisement and answer the questions that follow. Students, first you have to study the given advertisement. Let us study. Swachhata Hi Seva. Swachhata Pakwada. 15th September to 2nd October 2018. And what is the main aim of this advertisement? Join hands with railways in cleanliness drive. Once again, let us look at that words of Narendra Modi. Let us create an environment of cleanliness in the entire nation with Swachhata Hi Seva drive. Narendra Modi. Now, join hands with railways in cleanliness drive. Community Day, 22nd September 2018. Be the church. Timing from 9 a.m. onwards. Indian Railways appeals to all people, NGOs and charitable trusts to participate in this cleanliness drive. For your Shramdan, please contact station director or station manager of the nearest railway station. So, and look at Mahatma Gandhi also, and comes under this, this advertisement was given by Indian Railways, www.indianrailways.gov.in. So, this is the advertisement given by South Central Railway or Indian Railways. So, students, and this is source. What is the source? swr.indianrailways.gov.in. So, we have to carefully scan the advertisement and we can understand, and after that we have to answer the questions. Now, come to the questions. What is the advertisement about? Students, first we have to careful about what is the question word. What is the advertisement about? Answer is, it is about cleanliness drive in Indian Railways. Okay, it is about cleanliness drive in Indian Railways. Good. Next, who has issued this advertisement? Who issued this advertisement? This Indian Railways has given this advertisement. Next, when was the cleanliness drive conducted? When was the cleanliness drive conducted? 22nd September here. 22nd September 2018. Okay, this is the answer for your third question. And next come to the fourth one. Who are to be contacted for our Shramdan? For whom? For who are to be contacted for our Shramdan? And we have to contacted for our Shramdan is station director or station manager here. Please contact station director or station manager of the nearest railway station. Next, what is the noun form of charitable? Charitable is what is the noun form of charitable? Charity. Okay, charity is the noun form. Okay, once again, what is the advertisement about? What is the advertisement about? It is about cleanliness drive in Indian Railways. Okay, it is about the advertisement about cleanliness drive in Indian Railways. Next, who has issued this advertisement? Who has? Indian Railways. Next, when was the cleanliness drive conducted? When we have to write the dates. 22nd September 2018. Okay, 22nd September 2018. Next, come to the fourth question. Who are to be contacted for our Shramdan? For our Shramdan. Here is the answer. For your Shramdan, we have to contact station director or station manager of the nearest railway station. Next, write the noun form of charitable. Noun form is charity. So, advertisement, students. Come to the question number 17. Study the advertisement and answer the questions that follow. Now, egrets meditate over still waters and a sleepy boatsman glides post swaying gliding post swaying pass. Meanwhile, in a little boat, rubbing shoulders with ducklings, you run into yourself. Now, slow down in God's own country. Okay, so you have to, students, you have to scan all the words and pictures are given to you. Now, what is the source? Source is shinkingkerala.com. Okay, so you have to observe and study the advertisement and scan the advertisement. Now you have to answer the questions. Now, what is referred to as God's own country? What is God's own country? Is Kerala. Here is God's own country. So answer is Kerala. Next, what is an egret? What is an egret? Pick the antonym for the word still from the above advertisement. Okay, what is the opposite word for still? Is swaying. Swaying. S-W-A-Y-I-N-G. Swaying. Next, name the palms that are seen in the picture. What are the palms seen in the picture? Is date palms. What are they? Date palms. P-A-L-M-S. Date palms. Now, come to the fifth question. Rubbing shoulders mean, what is the meaning of rubbing shoulders? Keep company with. Keep company with. So, you have to answer the questions like this. We once again we revise the answers. What is referred to as God's own country is Kerala. God's own country is Kerala. Now, next, what is an egret? Egret means a kind of bird. Pick the antonym for the word still from the above advertisement. Swaying. Next, name the palms that are seen in this picture. Date palms. What are the palms? Date palms. These are called date palms. Rubbing shoulders means, what is the meaning of rubbing shoulders? Keep company with. We have to maintain company. We have to maintain relationship with. These are the answers for this advertisement. If you write correct answers, you will get 5 by 5 marks. Okay. 5 marks are awarded for this advertisement. Okay, children. Okay. So you have to practice it and you will get 5 marks. Okay, students, this is the end of our session. So, let us continue in our next session, and until then, take care. Goodbye.